But let's say I want to explore the document a little bit more and in an easier, more efficient way. I'm going to get out of quick nav, left and right arrow together. We'll hear the sound. I'm going to arrow left. I'm going to hit done, the done button on the top right hand corner. Now I want to explore the document. How can I explore the document? So I want to do by lines and by words. So I'm going to press my left arrow and then hold my left arrow and press up arrow, and that'll toggle me through my rotor settings. So now I can navigate by words. Let's go with words first. So now I can navigate this by word. But let's say I want to navigate by lines. Let's do this again. One important note, quick nav is still on. And the best way to even do that is to make sure that you're no longer in an active edit field mode. But you can navigate to the note by pressing your right arrow. It says December 29th. We remember that well. The voiceover cursor is over the entire body of... I'm going to hit Control to silence voiceover. The voiceover cursor is over the entire body of the note. But it is not an active note, not an active text field. It is only inactive in the sense that you cannot type into it. It is active in the sense that it's reading the information to you. So an important distinction to make. It is active in the sense that you can read it and the voiceover cursor is over the information. It is inactive in the sense that you cannot type, which is good for reading mode. So if I want to explore my document with detail now I can toggle my settings. We just did it by word, but now I'd like to toggle my settings by line. So I'm going to hold my left arrow and up and press up arrow till I get to lines. And for some reason, okay, it jumped. When I hit my left arrow, it jumped to December 29. I don't want it to be there. I don't want the voiceover focus to be there. Okay. So I'm going to do this again. Hold my left arrow, press my up arrow. Okay, now it gave me lines as an option, and I've noticed that it does that sometimes, that it only offers you lines when the voiceover cursor is over the body of your notes. Okay, so just kind of keep that in mind. Having the voiceover focus over the body of the line is crucial for two reasons. The first is that that's where you want to go to start interacting with the notes writing portion or typing portion of the app. The second piece is if you want to use your rotor to navigate the note, to get specific detail, to navigate by lines, you have to know that it's not fully active because you can't type into it, but it's active. It has the voiceover focus over it. And then when the voiceover focus is over it, it's beneficial in two senses. One, you can press your up and down arrow together to enter that edit field. And two, if you don't want to enter the edit field, but you want to explore it thoroughly, you can press your up and down. You can navigate your rotor settings. And now I can press up, and I can now navigate by line. And so that's how I'm doing it now. I'm navigating by lines. And that's really helpful, but it's very nuanced. But that's how you get the best results, is by recognizing when your Notes app is active in terms of your text and when it only has the voiceover focus on the information, or the voiceover focus or cursor is over the information. Being aware of that distinction is really helpful, and it will make you a better navigator, period. But it will also help you to use Notes app much more effectively. Next time, we will follow up with this function here, which is Note Actions. And for now, what we're going to do is we're going to exit out of this app and some other apps in App Switcher. So we're going to do a VOHH, and then we'll press our up arrow, and I'm going to close out of Notes, press our up arrow again, I closed out of the Home app, and now I'm back on my home screen. So that's it for today's session. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a happy new year.